Hi guys and welcome back to Crypto Chester. I'm here today to give you a BTC update. We're going to be starting off with Bitcoin here on the short-term time frame, then jumping through to the mid-term, then jumping through to some key indicators on how I am making money in today's markets. We're also going to be ending the video with a lovely trade of the day. This is a trade of the day that I give you guys to basically do some research on, and currently with 15 successful trades in a row. Absolutely amazing stuff. Starting the video off, guys, I want to just jump straight into the giveaway from last week. The giveaway winner is going to be here, Optimus. So well done to you, my good sir. As you can see, replying live on the video here, you've won a week on the Wob Machine. If you guys want to enter the giveaway, drop a like on the video, drop a comment, drop your opinion down below. As you can see, I see the entries are getting bigger and bigger every single day now. Amazing stuff there, guys. So make sure you drop down to the comment section and do that, and then you'll be entered in the giveaway tomorrow. And also, guys, if you did want to trade Bitcoin, you did want to trade some altcoins, jump down to the link here of BitGet. You can get a nice $4,000 bonus. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. As you can see here on Bitcoin chart, we did actually see this parallel channel play out pretty strongly to the upside. We have seen Bitcoin pretty much continuously banging it recently, which has been pretty nice to see, I must say. We did top out recently at around 21,500 near enough, which, to be honest, pretty goddamn good going, coming all the way up from these low figures around 18K. So yeah, pretty happy with that. I think we are due a bit of a pullback now, which we probably are experiencing first thing Monday morning today. But the key levels that we can really be looking out for here is that 20,665, just because you can see the level of support that we have had on this area before in terms of this horizontal. And also, guys, you can see the 200 EMA and the 200 SMA is hovering around this area for a level of support as well. So I really wouldn't be surprised if we came down, had a nice little dirty, filthy wick all the way down to 20,600, and then basically bounce back up and try to find support on the 200 EMA there. It's going to be very interesting to see how that is going to play out. In terms of referencing the MACD today, guys, right now we are seeing, we haven't seen a bullish crossover at all. We are still seeing this bearish crossover continue from all the way back on the 5th of November, a couple days ago now. We nearly saw a bullish crossover at this area around yesterday, but we didn't quite get there, and we actually have had continuation of this downtrend. So that does bring me on to the directional movement index, guys. Directional movement index right now is pretty high, okay? The ADX is up at around 30. It shows the downtrend is quite strong, so please keep that in mind. I would expect a pullback, as I was saying, a little bit of a bump to the upside quickly, just because we are overbought here on the oversold here on the RSI, and currently in the bearish control zone. So yeah, pretty bearish there for the short-term time frame here. But as I said, I would expect a bit of a slight pullback, right? Slight pullback, probably up to around 20,900, maybe even tapping 21K again, right? I don't think we're just going to cascade down off a cliff past 20,600 and just keep going. But we do need to take into consideration, guys, you can see this parallel channel that we were talking about from before. You can see the level of resistance that we're back inside of this chart pattern, right? So if we do come down and we do test this area, I would expect some sort of resistance at around 21K. Maybe we start a range here for the start of this week and just bounce between 21,000 and 20,600. We shall see. But yeah, it's not looking that great right now. But as I said a minute ago, we did actually propel up pretty heavily. So I did expect, and I do expect a bit of a pullback coming through to around 20,600. Moving through to the midterm time from here for Bitcoin. Actually, no, the premium scalp package. Let's look at some indicators quickly. We lost the 200 EMA on the 15-minute. We lost the price action channel with two significant bearish candles in a row, causing the lovely short signal that we have been waiting for. We can also see we lost the NTF on the 15-minute as well. Come back for that retest. Another short sell there. Another sell signal for a short on Bitcoin. Pretty good stuff. We did actually see another sell signal coming through from me. I didn't actually take this one. It wasn't looking that great for me. I didn't take this one. It was a bit too good to be true, and considering market structure, we were still respecting market structure from this humongous move to the upside, so it wasn't really looking that much like a sell to me, in my opinion. But right now it is looking fairly bearish, and as I said, potential range being formed in this sort of area a minute ago. Right, moving on to the Bitcoin here on the midterm time frame. This is where it gets quite interesting, guys, because the 4-hour time frame here is looking pretty goddamn juicy. Let's talk about this range that we were in before, and this was from 20,200. You can see this top side here. You can see the resistance that we've had on this top side, and then you can see the support we've had on this lower side, right? This is between 20,400 and around 18,000, that sort of area there. We've been bouncing between that area for quite a significant amount of time, but now we did actually break into the upside, okay? We were very excited breaking this to the upside, and we have caused a very, very nice uptrend, but unfortunately this has caused a rising wedge chart pattern, guys. Rising wedges, you can see the support on the lower side here, you can see the support here, and you can see the resistance on the top side. Rising wedges, they tend to usually break to the downside, okay? So if we do lose the crucial 20,600, which we were just referring to here on the shorter term time frame, then God Help us, right? God help us. No, just because the reason why I'm saying that is because you can see we've got the Fibonacci retracement to 0.236, and that's currently sat around 20,328. If we lose that, guys, if we lose that and we come back down into this filthy range, we can easily, I'm talking easily, come down and smash it down to 18K again. So please, please, please be aware this could be a completely filthy trap if we lose 20,600 and then 20,300. If we have a colossal dump to the downside and we're backside into this range, then it's not good. You can see the point of control for the VPVR down around 19K. So I would really expect those prices if we do lose these 20,000. Probably 20K, right? If we lose the 20K figure and we're back in this range, then yeah, it's not going to be very good at all. You can see 200 EMA, this little purple bad boy coming up as well. Hopefully we find some support on that when we come down and test the Fibonacci at around 20,300 as well. So there is support there, guys, but just be cautious. What I would be looking for if I'm looking for a trade here, which I am a trader. So let's do a measure move for what we could potentially be looking for from this chart pattern. Obviously, depending on where we're going to break, guys, rising wedges, they tend to usually break to the downside. It is going to be around a 4.29% on the table to be taken. Paper planes taking off from the runway. You know why we're here. We're here to make money. So what I'm looking for here is a break of this chart pattern. Going to be entering a trade at around 20,000, 20,600. If we lose that area, 20,600, nice candle body close there on the 4 hour would be beautiful. And then basically just running it down, right? Having these, all these major levels of support as basically just take profits until the measure move is completed. So in terms of a price sort of area I'm looking for is 20,550 all the way down to around 19,000, 19,745. And I'm going to be staggering those take profits. And once I've hit my first take profit, I take my stop loss, move my stop loss to my entry. And that way it is a completely risk-free trade. Okay, amazing stuff. Look at the directional movement index coming through. Here, guys, ADX really quite high, indicating still very strong downtrend to the downside. So yeah, just be aware of that as well. In terms of the RSI, bullish control zone, pretty dominant right now. I would say just be aware, guys, because we are falling pretty rapid, right? We are falling pretty rapid. If we do come into the bearish control zone, we know we're looking for some more bearish momentum, and that is probably going to be pretty reactive towards a short position that we could be looking for today, right? Moving on to the major indicators that I do use to trade here, guys. Ultra swing package. Look at the super trend cross with the volume here. You can see we had a very clean sell signal coming through, still looking pretty good there. And you can see the most recent buy signal looking pretty good. We didn't make any money here on this sell signal. It was a break-even sort of scenario. But you can see buy, you can see sell, you can see buy, you can see sell. It doesn't look too shabby at all. So yeah, very good stuff coming through from the ultra swing package. I would say the triple EMA and double EMA here, they have they've pretty much started to go horizontal, guys. They pretty much started to go horizontal. And this, you know what this tells us? It tells us that the momentum to the upside is cooling, okay? The momentum to the upside is cooling, which essentially means we could be looking for some downside, okay? And that's going to be very nice to see for our potential short position there. Moving on to the trade of the day, guys. This is the trade of the day that I'm going to be showcasing to you today. And you can basically go do your own research, and I will be updating you in the Telegram group, which if you do want to join that, the link is in the description. Nice tight in this community. I will be updating you on this position throughout the Telegram group throughout the day. And yeah, we're currently 15 successful trades in a row. Let's jump to the previous one. I believe that was Ethereum. Just bear with me. I believe that was Ethereum. So let's jump to Ethereum and look at what we did see here. Amazing stuff. Falling parallel channel, absolutely mooning to the upside there, making a significant amount of money coming through. It was around, how much was it? It was around 3.81%. Really good stuff there for our previous trade of the day. So trade of the day today is going to be GMT. GMT is looking pretty goddamn bullish right now. It's up around 6%. Which I'm pretty happy with after considering most of the markets, most of the other coins are dumping and have dumped over the last day or so just due to Bitcoin. So what I'm looking for here is either a move to the upside, because it is a parallel channel, guys. We can move to the upside pretty easily, or we're going to be moving to the downside, okay? So there's going to be measure moves on the table, both sides that we can be looking for here, and both sides that can be profited from. If we're looking to the upside, it's going to be around a 5.58%. If we're looking to the downside, it's going to be around a 6.08%. So pretty good stuff. Let me know in the comment section, guys, if you're going to be getting involved with this or you're going to do your own research. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor. Please don't just go take this trade. It's dumb. Don't do it. Do your own research and make your own decisions, right? I'm not responsible for your positions. But yeah, that's going to be it from me, guys. Thank you ever so much for watching. I will be back for another video tomorrow. And also, guys, if you did want to learn solely about candlestick chart patterns, I'm literally halfway through a series in my shorts, in my YouTube shorts section on YouTube. Go to my playlist, jump to the YouTube shorts section, and you'll see candlestick chart patterns, and there's literally probably like 10 episodes of different candlestick chart patterns that you can be studying. That's going to be it for now, but I will see you in the next one.